What if I told you the most stylish outfits in your closet are probably already hiding in your laundry pile, just waiting for a second life? In this video, I'm diving into upcycled clothing ideas that turn old, forgotten pieces into something fresh, trendy, and honestly kind of expensive looking without spending a dime at the store. I'm talking easy transformations, a little creativity, and that satisfying moment where something old suddenly looks like it came straight off a boutique rack. Every idea I'm sharing was found scrolling Pinterest, and I've linked a Pinterest board in the description so you can see patterns, inspiration, and save your favorites. While you're watching, I want you to vote on which idea is your favorite, because once we hit 100 votes, I might just recreate the winning piece in my own style right here on the channel. Let's get into it and turn I might donate this into I can't believe I made this. Every time you open your closet, you're not looking at old clothes. You're looking at a thrift store that already belongs to you. The only difference is everything in there already fits your life, your comfort, and your story. It just hasn't been reimagined yet. So many people think they need to go shopping to feel inspired again. But what if the inspiration is already hanging on your hangers, just waiting for a second chance to be seen differently? That's what upcycling is really about. Not just sewing, but learning to look again with new eyes. When you start treating your closet like a thrift store, something powerful happens. You stop asking what's missing and start asking what can this become? Maybe a long skirt becomes a matching set. Maybe an oversized shirt turns into a crop statement piece. Maybe a dress becomes something completely new with just a few seams and courage. And here's the truth nobody talks about enough. Creativity shows up strongest when you don't have perfect options. It shows up when you're standing there holding something and thinking, I don't know if this can be saved, because that is exactly where the magic starts. Upcycling teaches patience, it teaches problem solving, and it teaches you that beauty isn't always in what is new, but in what is transformed. Every stitch you make is a decision that says this still matters, this still has value, this still has a place in my life. And that mindset doesn't just change your clothing, it changes how you see yourself too. Because if you can take something overlooked and turn it into something beautiful, then you can do that with your own confidence, your own goals, and your own direction in life. So next time you stand in front of your closet, don't see old, see opportunity. Don't see worn, see potential. Your closet is already a thrift store, and you are the designer walking in with unlimited ideas, ready to build something new from what you already have.